Hello everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again, just giving everything a quick watering. And what my plan is for today, we've got the pot for the strimmer, so wanted to give everything a quick watering first. Once I've given everything a quick watering, then we can get out there and get on with it. I don't know what's happening with my potatoes, they're just grown up, so I wanted to put them out, but because the weather's just gone back cold, I don't want to put them out and then the frost hits them, and we still got another few weeks. By that time they'll be at some astronomical height. These were the last ones that I planted, and you can see that they've come through. They've come through already, and then my one potato challenge one has come through already, so everything's growing at a fast pace. My carrots are looking nice. Got 2 buckets down here, and then I've got the tub. Got my lettuces in, they're looking nice. Well, the highest temperature what's been in there already is 39. It's 22 to now up this end, and up the other end I'm not sure. I'll let my cameraman show you what that temperature is. Up the other end it's the cooler shaded end. I'm not sure about my camera, it'll be on the camera. So what I'm going to do, just going to carry on just finish watering these off, and then I'm going to get the strimmer and see if it works up. We've got the new pot for it. Costs money, but when you buy these things, they tell you that they're under guarantee. The first thing what happened to us was the spool exploded, and then when I contacted them, they're saying it weren't a part what's under guarantee, but that's one of the main parts of it, because the plastic what they used to make it just exploded and disintegrated. And then now we come to use it, the pull cord pull out, and that's the major part what starts the strimmer, and then they're saying that that part weren't covered, so I had to fork out for that again. So I'm just hoping that nothing else don't go wrong with it for the rest of the season, because every now and then we need to get this grass trimmed down. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them. So I'm going to just carry on with this watering, and then I'll be back with you in a minute when we've set up the strimmer and everything. Right everybody, so I've got the strimmer set up, and I hope it works this time. But this is what I was talking about the last time, how this allotment work, how they're just for themselves. You see, they're strimmed, and instead they strim up to the edges and strim along this grass. What they've done, they've just put a path down the middle, which that's how they do things, and they see all this grass here to strim, and they don't do it. And I don't know why they're like that. All the way up their strim, just down the centre, and leave all the sides high. Right, so I've got the new part, so let's see what happens. Right, so we've got some power this time, and then it just stopped. I just hope it ain't gonna start messing. so let's got it started, so we're going to give it a go and see what happens. Right, so let me get on my gloves. Alright everybody, so we've got it working, so I'm going to carry on with this and I'll be back with you in a minute. So I managed to get some of it trimmed, so I'm going to just carry on now and go on to my one, and then I'll be back with you in a minute where I've got all this, going to trim up to my neighbour's one. I don't know, and then I've just got all this to trim, and then I'll start going down onto my one. Everybody, so we've done quite a lot of trimming. I've done up to there, just got to take it up. You can see how big the poles are, and then I've just got to lightly go over some of it again where the grass looks a bit long. My strimmer spool is pretty high up, and then you have to leave the line on it long, and then what happens, it keeps snapping, so we've got to keep pulling it out all the time. But we've got it, you can see it looks a lot neater now. Just got a few little bits to do and then we're good to go. So I'm going to carry on with this. Just going to go over some of the bits where I've like with a longer strimmer line, because you have to have the line long like this. You have to have the line long like this to get it lower. So that's what I'm going to do, just go over some of these high bits and just get them out, and then we're good to go. So I'll be back with you in a minute when we've done that. That's all, not much to do today. This strimmer takes up all the time, so it's got to be done. So the lower you can get the grasses, the better. And I wish this strimmer was skimmed it a lot lower down to the ground. But it's just how it is, so we just have to persevere with it and get it done. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've finished strimming what I can. It's not as low in some places as I would like, because this that strimmer spool, it's one what strims it pretty high, which I don't know if I can put a different spool on this, but I'll have a look when I go home. If there's a different size spool what I can use on there, then I'll try a lower one to see if I can get it lower than this. If the grass wasn't here in the first place, it would be ideal. Someone was saying to get this tree mulch, get a load of, go to the shops, get loads of cardboard, do it in sections, put it down, and then get the weed mat, put the weed mat on, and then chuck about 2 or 3 inches of this stuff, because we get it here all the time. And I noticed the grass just doesn't come through on it. This has been here since last year, and the grass doesn't come through on it. See, it's just wet and composting down, and if you put another layer on top of that now, that's what I was going to do last year, but someone said to me, when you do that, the grass comes through even quicker. But to me, that's been there since last year and it hasn't come through. So we're getting there. We're just waiting for the weather to change now so we can get some of our veg and that in. Get some of these things in. We've got our broccoli and our brassicas in, and they look okay, but some of them were wilted from the heat in the polytunnel. So got to just watch those ones. If anything, I can always replace those. So if you like our videos, please remember, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.